Hey everyone, welcome back to our SaaS building series. In the last video, we added user authentication. Users can now sign up, log in, and access their dashboard. By the end of this video, your app will automatically send a beautiful welcome email every time someone signs up. This is what professional apps do. It makes your users feel valued and confirms their account was created successfully. We're using Resend for this. It's an email API that makes sending emails super simple. The best part? It's free for up to 3,000 emails per month, and your emails actually land in inboxes, not spam folders. Link to Resend is in the description. And here's the cool part. Although today we're setting up the welcome email, once Resend is configured, we can use it for any kind of email. Purchase confirmations, password resets, notifications when a client books an appointment, whatever your app needs. So this setup will serve us well for the entire project. As always, all the prompts and links are in the description below. Some are affiliate links. If you want to support my work and help me keep making these videos, using them really helps and doesn't cost you anything extra. Let's set this up. First, head to resend.com, link in the description. Create a free account. You can sign up with GitHub or email. Once you're in, we need to verify our domain. This is important because it tells email providers that Resend is allowed to send emails on your behalf. Without this, your emails might end up in spam. Go to Domains, click Add Domain, and enter your domain. Remember, in the first video, we bought our domain on Squarespace, so enter that same domain, virtualstylesalon.com. Resend will give you some DNS records to add. These are SPF and DKIM records, basically security stuff that proves you own the domain. Now let's add these records in Squarespace. Go to your Squarespace account, then to Domains, select your domain, and click on DNS Settings. Click Add Record. For the first one, select TXT as the record type. In the Host field, paste what Resend shows you, and in the Data field, paste the SPF value. Click Add. Now do the same for the DKIM record. Add another TXT record, paste the host and the data exactly as Resend shows you. If you bought your domain somewhere else like Namecheap or GoDaddy, the process is similar. Just find the DNS settings and add the TXT records there. Back in Resend, give it a minute, and click Verify. Now let's get our API key. Go to API Keys, create a new one, give it a name like Virtual Style Salon, and copy this key. Important, you'll only see this key once, so copy it now and keep it somewhere safe. Now let's connect Resend to our Lovable project. First, we need to store our API key securely. In Lovable, go to Cloud. Once you're in Cloud, click on Secrets. This is where we store sensitive data like API keys. Add a new secret called resend_API_key and paste the key we just copied from Resend. Also add another secret called sender_email with your verified email address like hello@virtualstylesalon.com. Now let's create the email functionality. Here's my first prompt. As always, you can copy it from the description. Integrate Resend for sending emails. Set up a Supabase Edge function that uses Resend to send emails. The function should accept to recipient email, subject, email subject, HTML content of the email. Use the secret variables resend_API_key and sender_email that are already stored in Cloud greater than secrets. This sets up the backend function that can send emails. Now let's create our welcome email template. Here's the second prompt. Create a beautiful welcome email template for new users who sign up. The email should have a header with the Virtual Style Salon logo. Greet the user by their first name. Welcome them to Virtual Style Salon. Include a brief intro about transforming how they showcase hairstyles. I'm also asking for 3 quick start steps, a prominent Go to Dashboard button, and a footer with contact info. And importantly, the email should be sent automatically when a new user completes registration. Lovable created a beautiful email template. It's got our branding, personalized greeting, the quick start steps, and a call to action button. and it set up a database trigger, so whenever someone signs up, this email goes out automatically. No manual work needed. Let's test this out. I'm going to create a new account with a real email address so we can see the email come through. Now let me check my inbox. Boom, there it is, our welcome email. Excited. Look how professional this looks. Got the logo, my name, the quick start steps, and the dashboard button. This is exactly what real SaaS products do. When you sign up for any app, Notion, Slack, whatever, you get a welcome email. Now Virtual Style Salon does too. Let me click this button. And it takes me right to the dashboard. Perfect user experience. And here's something really useful. Let me show you. Back in Resend. Go to the email section. See this? Resend keeps a complete log of every email you send. You can see when it was sent, who received it, and whether it was delivered or opened. This is super helpful for monitoring your emails and debugging if something goes wrong. You have full visibility of everything your app is sending.
And that's it. Your app now sends automatic welcome emails.
Remember, now that Resend is set up, you can easily add more emails later. Purchase confirmations, reminders, anything you need. The foundation is ready. Both prompts are in the description below. If you want to support the channel, the affiliate links are there too. In the next video, we're getting to the really exciting part. We're building the actual AI feature. We'll integrate with Nano Banana to let users generate hairstyle previews. This is where our app starts doing something truly unique. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Until the next video,